Be honest if your house still requires you to flip switches manually. Is it really luxury or just expensive furniture with Wi-Fi? Because in 2025, true luxury isn't about the size of your home. It's about how effortlessly it responds to you. Your car unlocks itself, your phone recognizes your face, but your house still needs instructions? Let's fix that today and unlock what it really means to live like a billionaire. A luxury smart home isn't about having the most gadgets, the biggest screens, or a refrigerator that sends you motivational quotes. Let's be honest, if your fridge is inspiring you more than your lifestyle, we have other issues to discuss. At the luxury level, technology doesn't perform, it disappears. The point isn't to prove your home is smart. It's to feel like your home understands you. When your environment adjusts itself before you even realize what you need, that is when smart living becomes luxury living. So ask yourself, is your home reacting to you, or are you reacting to it? Because one of those experiences feels empowering, while the other feels like work. Right now, the global smart home industry is projected to reach around $133 billion in 2025, and forecasts suggest it could exceed $1 trillion by 2035. That's not hype, that's direction. And here's the key. People are not chasing tech for the sake of tech. They are realizing that convenience, privacy, efficiency, and atmosphere matter just as much as architecture and interior design. In high-end real estate, smart integration is already becoming an expectation. Professionally executed systems can even contribute to a 3 to 5% increase in perceived property value. Translation: this improves your life and protects your investment. Luxury today is not defined by size or price alone. It is defined by experience and ease. But let's be direct, buying random smart devices online and hoping they all magically cooperate is the fastest route to what I call the smart home circus. That's when your phone has 12 apps, none of them talk to each other, and the Wi-Fi collapses every time your neighbor starts watching Netflix. If you have to troubleshoot your house more than you live in it, the house is not smart, you are. And you deserve better than being your own IT department. Luxury isn't about effort, it's about relief from effort. True luxury comes from integration. Every major function of the home: lighting, climate, audio, window coverings, security, entry access, pool and spa systems, and outdoor living should operate under one unified control system. Imagine your home acting as one organism, instead of several confused appliances doing their own thing. That is where grace begins. The less you have to think, the more luxurious the experience becomes. So here's the hook: if you need to tell your home what to do constantly, the home is not smart enough yet. Your environment should collaborate with you, not wait for your instructions. Now picture this in real life. You arrive home in the evening. You don't press a button. You don't say a command. You simply exist. Your driveway recognizes your car and opens the gate. Walkway lighting guides you. The interior welcomes you with the right temperature and warm ambience. Your preferred music fades in softly. No effort, no thinking, no stress. Just a home that behaves like it was designed around you. Ask yourself, how different would your lifestyle feel if your home actually welcomed you instead of waiting to be managed? The emotional shift is subtle but powerful. This level of reliability requires more than Wi-Fi alone. Professionals in luxury automation still use wired infrastructure for audio distribution, lighting control, and networking backbone because luxury means no glitches. You do not want to explain to guests, sorry, the curtains aren't closing right now because someone upstairs is watching a movie. That's not luxury. That's comedy. A strong wired network is the silent hero of every smart home. Invisible, reliable, and essential. Think of it like structural beams. You don't see them, but without them, everything collapses. The best luxury is the kind you never have to think about. Once the foundation is set, we move into what I call experience design, the part that truly elevates lifestyle. This is where you define the emotional rhythm of your day. Think in scenes, not switches. Your morning scene may raise shades gradually, align lighting with sunrise, adjust temperature gently, and introduce soft music. Your entertain scene could brighten hosting areas, activate multi-room audio, and create atmosphere. Your goodnight scene might lower all lighting except subtle path lights, lock all exterior doors, close blinds, and set perfect sleep temperature. Notice how none of this is about devices, it's about feeling. A luxury home should support your mind, not clutter it. The goal is harmony, not control panels. When the home takes care of transitions for you, your daily routines become smoother and less stressful. That is where comfort turns into lifestyle enhancement. Now let's explore the features defining luxury smart homes in 2025. Circadian lighting is a major upgrade. The color and intensity of light affects mood, focus, and sleep. With circadian lighting, your home maintains your balance automatically. Air quality systems monitor and adjust ventilation. Security now focuses on invisibility, biometric access, silent alerts, perimeter awareness. Not everything needs to look high-tech to be high-tech. Luxury is quiet confidence. The more seamless the system, the more elevated the lifestyle experience. In the best-designed smart homes, you don't see the technology, you benefit from it. The sophistication is felt, not displayed. Entertainment also evolves. Whole home audio is no longer speakers in rooms. It is sound that flows with you, seamlessly. Outdoor systems create resort-style environments on terraces, gardens, and pool decks. A modern luxury theater doesn't need to look like a spaceship. Screens can retract, speakers can be invisible, and the experience can still be cinematic, because elegance doesn't shout, it whispers, then delivers. The best luxury design is the kind that feels inevitable and natural. It should feel like the home is responding to your mood, not forcing a performance. In the best homes, entertainment isn't an event, it's a background pleasure that enhances life effortlessly. Outdoor living has become essential. Automated landscape lighting, climate-responsive irrigation, voice-enabled outdoor kitchens, pool and spa automation. Your outdoor spaces should feel ready for enjoyment, not preparation. The goal is effortless hospitality. Guests should feel like the home is guiding the atmosphere, not you running around flipping switches like you're backstage at a concert. Luxury means participation, not preparation. When outdoor areas are automated, social experiences feel smoother and more relaxed. The environment becomes part of the hosting experience, not a separate zone you have to manage. But here is the most overlooked reality. Luxury smart homes must be future-proofed. Technology evolves. Your home must evolve with it. That requires planning system expandability, leaving wiring capacity, and maintaining proper equipment access. A luxury system isn't expensive. Because it's flashy, it's valuable because it's built to last. Luxury is not only acquisition, it is preservation. A well-planned system grows gracefully instead of aging awkwardly. Think of it as designing room for future convenience you don't know you'll want yet. Every luxury home should be prepared for tomorrow, not just today. Still, the biggest mistake homeowners make is trying to design the system after construction. Or worse, choosing aesthetics first and leaving technology no space to breathe. And perhaps the biggest mistake of all is neglecting ongoing service and upkeep. A luxury home should improve with age, not degrade. Your system should age like fine architecture, steadily, quietly, gracefully. Maintenance isn't a burden, it's part of sustaining excellence. So where do you begin? Start with conversation, not product shopping. Describe how you want mornings to feel, how you host, and how you relax. This will guide every technical decision better than any list of gadgets ever could. Your life writes the blueprint, the technology simply follows. When your routines shape the system, your home becomes intuitive instead of complicated. And that is the essence of luxury, living a space that understands you without needing to be asked. In the end, luxury isn't about how impressive your home looks, it's about how effortlessly it supports you. True luxury is calm, clarity, and a space that takes care of you without being asked. When your home anticipates your needs and adapts to your lifestyle, it stops being just a house and becomes an extension of who you are. And that is what it truly means to live like a billionaire. If you enjoyed this breakdown and want to learn how to design a home that works for you, not the other way around, make sure to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications.